Hey everyone, Melissa Beck here. I am at my listing at 4 Sherrill Drive in Robinson, and we are about to close on it. We had multiple offers. We had, I think, 4 offers, and we listed at $349.9. We ended up at $370. So it was a really, really great experience for my sellers. And we negotiated some inspections down and ended at $365.5. So still a really great deal. And we also were able to negotiate timing because my sellers were building and we needed a little bit of an extended close. So we were able to do that as well. And that was done through marketing, strategy, pricing, timing, all of the things that go into listing a property. They took my advice. We worked together and collaboratively, and we are at the finish line and ready for closing.